Oh, do you know that guy did spend for that party?
Oh, it was just
Look at the Dorime. Like Dorime was really entering there. Oh, babe, you wearing this cartoon guy, babe. Was the kind of house you carry? Normally, what do you expect? No one is first for you. Big name now, you big name. But babe, that party was really late. It was really late. I was thinking.
Like
How
what? You know nothing at G-boy. You see, I have this thing, the eyes I use.
Like CCTV camera.
Yeah.
That's what they do. But you know, still me now. Give me in contact. I want to something.
What did they happen? You want the you want go there. I better come on feed Jare. Come on.
So a babe cannot help a babe.
No, not be this type of babe. Not be this type of help. I can help you in another way, but not be this type of help.
Give me the number.
No,
I want to text
Jare, I could help you, but not be this one. Sorry.
My stomach. I didn't feel uneasy since evening. Check what you think. Hi! Away! No wonder, talk am.
Turn, this way.
Don't stand with that. Now, so like the big sometimes.
Are you serious?
I don't know. I didn't calculate this time around. If you get pad,
You don't get to
like that sometimes.
Okay. No, I'm coming. Let me just get something for you to change. Hey! It a shake! It a.
I'm going to pray for you. May God help you when you don't go your left.
Hey, babe!
Yeah?
This one I feel something for you.
Oh, okay.
This one are white, but you just wear. No, you don't go sit down. Just wear. This one, dear.
No, be your guy shirt.
It doesn't matter. Mommy give you now.
It doesn't matter.
It doesn't matter.
No, Alan, I believe you. I believe your dreams.
Put it on. Let me wear your phone.
Okay, let me just go and put it on.
Where you go? Put her on here now. No be just here. Put her on top this one where you wear. Say you want to remove this one.
Okay.
Put her on top. No need to sit down. Make it just they go.
I will just they go as
yes,
now.
I'm just like finishing. Let us see your biash.
Kolo.
Stained biash.
Kolo better. But the shirt dope now.
My boyfriend they buy all these 2,000 naira shirts.
What do you mean? That's my own boyfriend. They buy 1,000 naira shirts.
Shut up. Your boyfriend now 1,000 naira shirt.
I beg, give me my phone.
Guy, can't they go your house?
I go my ass before you go insult me. 2,000 naira. George, come and take your shit. Not because I'm in a predicament
You don't
now.
talk to us. No, they carry synthetic hair. Don't they mind me here? No, they go your house. Shut the door.
You go see. You go come my escort. You go party again next time.
Synthetic hair. Don't remember.
Your door not go open now. You know.
Why you no go open? You don't want open now because I synthetic hair you carry. Oh change. Yeah, they smell. Classic babes like us.
Something on the beat.
What's up?
I'm fine. Wait, babe. Let me ask you. Did you watch my clothes?
Your clothes.
Yes, I mean my baby polo now. I need one to wear because I'm dressed already and I'm going out. I need one to wear. Did you wash any of them?
Babe, I did not wash any of your clothes.
You not wash my clothes?
Oh, I did not. Why are you asking?
I'm asking because I need to go out and I know they see all this my baby polo again. I know this. I checked the wardrobe now. everything is empty. Only anger now they see for that place. I don't understand.
Are you serious? I thought there are some clothes left there.
Long sleeve 90 there. I don't need long sleeve. Baby, don't my baby polo now. That's what I'm asking now.
Oh, sorry, babe. I forgot to tell you. You know my friends like big clothes, big polo.
Yes.
So one came over the other day, so I gave her one. Then the other of my friend, then the other one. So my friends, they actually came and I gave them. So it's fine.
Which one is that? But I need to go out now. I don't have any clothes to go out. You're telling me you gave it to your friends. You gave it to your friend. I don't understand why. Why did you give out my clothes without asking me?
Babe, come on, Jerry. Why are you acting too harsh? Come on. Okay, fine. I'll give you one of my clothes to wear.
I don't understand. You know, you're asking me why am I acting so harsh? My clothes when I'm supposed to wear, they give out to your friends. You tell me, say I'm acting so harsh, and you want to give me your clothes. Now, I don't understand why.
Babe, calm down. Now, come on. Wait. Should I get it for you?
Get what for me?
My top. Babe!
Dancing and singing and I'm feeling Charlie boy. What is a Charlie boy? So I'm mumu don't too much. Charlie boy, now I'm mumu not too much. You be mumu. You think say they wise don't too much. You be mumu. You call other people mumu. They never show you say you be mumu.
Okay, babe, yeah? I will see you in a jiffy. I will see you later.
Sorry. Where are you going to with my hair and my clothes?
Your hair and your what?
My clothes.
Okay, I have a friend's party to attend, so I will see you later.
No. I don't understand. What's all this drama for? Why are you wearing my hair?
I will see you in a jiffy.
Hey, baby!
Baby, stop him now. What's all this?
Where do you think you're going to? With my hair, my clothes? I don't understand. What's all this look for?
I'm going for a friend's party, so I'll meet you very soon.
Wait!
See you later.
Wait! Why are you putting on my gown? And the hair?
Oh, I forgot about it. You see, like I said, my friend have an event, so I'm going to attend the event. Since I don't have any other clothes to put on, that's why I'm going like this. Don't I look good? The hair is nice, right?
Yeah, it's nice. Wait! I know you're looking nice. They shake, yes, I know. But please just go pull this clothes because if they see you outside, they're going to hold you with chains.
I don't understand. You're asking me to go pull these things off. Why now? When I not get clothes to wear? You gave your friends all my clothes now. So what? You gave your friends all my big polo when I'm supposed to wear go outside. So why are you not stopping me from going outside with these clothes?
Okay. Babe, I'm sorry. I'll go and wash them.
Come on. Don't. How do I look?
They shake at me.
They shake at me?
Yes.
So allow me now. Let me just go and slay with your clothes too.
No. Okay. Babe, wait. I'll go get those clothes for you, please. Pull them, please.
I should pull them?
Yes, I'll go and get them, please.
You go bring the clothes back, Abi?
Please.
From your friends, please, Abi?
Yes, please.
Please, if you do that, then I'll pull his clothes. But if you don't,
I'll just I'm
go, please. I'll wait for you. Don't worry.
Just go inside.
No. Don't worry. I'll wait for you here.
You wait for me, Abi.
Yes.
Man, 70 years old man.
Please make it snappy, please. Please make it snappy. That's what I'm saying. Wow. Hey, don't tell my mouth. I'll buy clothes. I no go to see on the way. I'll go buy clothes. I no go to see on the way. I know you get friends.